Today, I'm just gonna tell you how I'm just gonna describe you guys how I did the slime. I'm going to do is, what I did was, yeah, we used color dye, um, and it was this girl that showed us, so, I forgot her name, but, I'll tag it down below. Um, so what I used was laundry detergent. It's homemade, okay? Okay? You're gonna see once you try it. Just try it. I did it with laundry detergent, however you say that. I used color food dye,
Electric blue.
electric blue, and it's the Duff brand, I think. Duff color dye, electric blue brand. Just search that up if you want it. Blue. Oh, look, it's green.
Shiny.
And we used glue. I would personally give you guys just to use the clear glue, any type of clear glue, because the white glue would just ruin the color to it. See, it wouldn't be electric blue, it'd be light blue anymore. So, hopefully, and then you're gonna get like a spoon, like one of those mixers you use to cook. Mix it, and then you're gonna dump it into like a plate and just grab it all and just go like this. And mix, and then just throw it around until you get to this. So hope you guys learn how to do this. Okay, so bye.